Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to change X or Twitter username. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. And let's get started. So first we need to go to X. After that we need to go to our account here and click settings and support. After that, click settings and privacy here and click your account. After that, click account information and here you can click username. And now you can change your username and click done. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone.